So, yes. Wow. Funny thing is, the friend is the guy who got me into League, and without League, I'd never. Ooh! Oh my god, notice me some. That's a burp again. Oh my god, can I not burp? Damn, your burps are so hot. Wish I could burp like that. Just do it, bro. Ooh, boo, boo. Oh my god. Oh, I'm laughing at my own. Hot burps. When burps are boiling hot and they burn you. Ouchie. Oh well. Oh my god. Oh, I did it! Oh, Jesus. Justice. Is this like Tourette's? That's kind of offensive. Wow. This person said they want to burp and kiss me at the same time. That's disgusting. I could burp forever. Honestly. Into the mic, please. That was a short one.
Y'all nasty. Y'all nasty for watching us nasty.
I think I have to burp. Oh yeah. It's a burp, yeah. And oh my god, I have to burp again. So I was I'm laughing at how burping is a point characteristic of your streams. I feel like it would just not be me if I did not burp. Nick has been complimenting my burps lately because I don't go like I just like naturally let it come out. Hello, Elena. You're welcome. Oh my god, I burped in my clip and I burped right now. Yo. Wow. Video. Okay, I have to sneeze. I think it's really expensive. Oh, sorry. It's so holy nice. It. Sorry. Oh. When did I start purposely burping? I have IBS, so I burp a lot. And it started in grade 11, I think. Oh, sorry. There There you go. The burp. It wasn't this part. Same. Battle. You like Dio? I liked this talk go out. And we can't go out. Oh, the lens were too big? Yeah, it's not good when they're like super big because then it hurts. You know I burp when I'm hungry. It's really weird. Oh wait. I don't know why they even have pansies. Like, who thought pansies would be a good idea for...
to help prevent further spread of this dangerous.
Hi, hat. Sorry. Timothy. Okay, I would not push any. Get the. Okay, let me. Can I burp on command? Yes.